If you are living abroad and you don't know how to get pap, this is the easiest way to get pap. I'm going to be using corn grits. You can get this from the supermarket or any Asian store around you. So I'll be soaking it in water for 3 days. In during winter, I use warm water to soak the corn grits, but during summer, I just use the normal water to soak it. So to be in, I will be leaving it in water for 3 days, and this is after it has been in water for 3 days. So you wash it, change the water, wash the corn grits before blending. I'm going to be adding ginger just to spice up the taste of the pap. So, and I'll pour it in my Ninja blender and blend it up until it's very smooth. So, during winter, if it is during winter, you can extend the soaking period to like 7 days. And as I said, you can use warm water to speed up the fermentation process. And but during summer, don't worry. 3 days is okay during summer, and just normal water. Just pour it on the corn grate and just soak it for 3 days. So and after blending, I'm also going to leave it overnight, also to spice up the taste because and also to make sure that the pap has settled. So I will leave it in the bowl overnight. Then at the next morning, the water would have separated from the pap. Then look at it after blending; it's very smooth, and your pap. This is just your ogi akamu. Pap is ready, and here is the next day, and it's ready to. I'm ready to make my pap now. I'm going to pour hot water on it just to make my pap, and here's my pap. You can see how smooth it is. So that's the easiest way to get pap if you're living abroad. You can combine it with milk or moi moi. Thanks for watching.